Namaste. One is always curious to know about the profile of the instructor he or she is going to get the training from. This is the profile of Anand Mahajan, online course creator, who is going to be the instructor for your course. He has an amazingly vast experience of 25 years. Anand Mahajan has been teaching programming for the last more than 25 years. He has been teaching when he himself was a student. The first programming language he learnt was BASIC. From there on, he never looked back and went on to master C, C++, Core Java, Advanced Java, PHP and .NET. He has a flair for Linux shell programming and data structure also. His teaching style has been admired by scores of learners as it makes the learning quite easier and fun. In his initial years of career, he worked for some of India's giant computer education companies. He later decided to establish his own computer training institute, and that was started in year 1998. Of late, he got attracted towards online teaching as it is catching the fancy of more and more people nowadays. He, along with his wife, creates online courses for some reputed online training companies. One thing is for sure, you are not going to get disappointed once you take up this course. It is going to make a solid foundation of your programming career. You will definitely look forward to his upcoming courses. Thousands of students who have been trained by him stand a brilliant testimony to his scintillating career as an honest, hardworking and understanding teacher. Wishing you a brilliant and fulfilling career in programming ahead.